a home tour out in Summerlin, the Falcon Crest built by Woodside Homes. Right behind me, you have the amazing views of the Las Vegas Strip. If this is your first time to the channel, please subscribe below, turn on that notification bell so you're always going to be informed whenever I do any of these home tours. We get calls from people just like you every single day, whether it's in 7 days or 3 months. Shoot me a text, give me a call, send me an email, schedule that Zoom call with us. We'll be happy to help you make that smooth move to Las Vegas. Now let's get this tour started. Here in the Summerlin area, we're about 25 minutes away from the airport, 25 minutes away from the Las Vegas Strip, and 20 minutes from the Red Rock Canyon area if you guys love the outdoors and want to go hiking. Mountainside view in this community. It's beautiful. And to my right, it's going to be like a dog park where you're going to have seating area right here, grass for your dogs to go run and play, and your kids if you guys want to take them out right here. This would be their community park. And directly in front of us are the single-story homes that we're going to be taking a look at today. The Talon, it ranges from 1,950 to 2,131 in square feet. It's a single-story, 3 to 4 bedroom, 2.5 to 3 bath. It has a 3-bay tandem garage. Starting base price is $689,990 and has 3 different elevations that goes all the way up to $697,990. Now, and the average lot size for this community is 6,000 standard and ranges all the way to 13,000 in square feet. There's $140 for the HOA, one's for $55, one's for $85. There's only SIDS in this community, which is $531, which is billed every 6 months. 3 plans available. There's 110 homes that's going to be built in this specific community. The lot premiums start from $10,000 and goes all the way up to $150,000. Let's start off right here at the exterior of the home. You'll get desert landscaping out front. You'll have pavers in your walkway area, and you'll also have pavers in front of your garage. This is going to be a 3-car tandem garage. Currently, this is the office area that's already converted, but this is the model home. So right in front, one of the elevations you could choose from has this stone finish in the front, covered patio. So right here, you have a covered patio area, pavers, you have can lighting above. This specific model home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. These are 10-foot ceilings right here. You have that dual panel separation right there, something different. But immediately to my left is one of the first bedrooms. This bedroom has large windows right in front, overlooking the front yard. You got the closet right here, but it does have a full bathroom. You have dual sinks. Very nice finishes. They use black hardware, quartz countertop with the blue cabinets, silver hardware as well. Toilet, you got the full shower tub combo. Very nice backsplash texture right there. Nicely done. We're gonna walk back towards the hallway. Standard tile flooring you're gonna get in the entryway and the wet areas are gonna be 18 by 18. Right here would be one of the other bedrooms, but they currently converted this into an office. Beautiful office space. Let's look at inside. Let's look at what they've done with this. Nicely done in this office. Check this out. Get out the window right here. Huge glass. Nicely done. And then as we come out of this office, oh, it's the other way. Directly across, this is your garage entryway, but it's currently locked. Right here to the right is a fully upgraded laundry room, upper cabinets, washer dryer not included, but you have this sink right here with the extra cabinets and the countertop space. This is obviously fully upgraded, so it won't come standard like that. And then you have a half bath right across from it. I love the finishes that they did with this backsplash on the wall. This is a little different. I've never seen two lightings like that before. Okay, back down the hallway. To the right, this would be your coat closet. But check out the doors. Look at how nice that is. Looks like 8-foot doors. And then right here would be the living room, your dining area, and your kitchen to the left. Let's start off with the living room section. Very simple. Love the colors that they chose with the white, the black, and the tan. Furniture, great choices. And then this is such a beautiful kitchen area. Large island right in the middle. You have 3 bar stool seating. Who's celebrating today? All right, and you get this is an 8x5 island, quartz countertop. You have that offset sink right here. It's a black fiberglass sink, black hardware. This is something different. I normally see it in the middle, but this one's on the bottom right corner, which is very nice. Dishwasher right in the middle. And then right here, you have all this counter space. 5-top burner, you have the hood right here above. I believe these are 46-inch upper cabinets, but you get a lot of space. And right here, I passed it, refrigerator, upper cabinets, you have a built-in microwave, built-in oven, okay? To the right of that, you have this small little section. It's more of like a prep station, I would say. And then to the left is the walk-in pantry. And as we exit this kitchen area, I love how they did this. I'm gonna give you guys a look from this corner once again. I'm gonna fix all my papers in my hand. Okay. Also nicely done on the backsplash. They have that under cabinet lighting with the LED as well. Love it. Large window right here to let some natural light in. And right in this corner is your dining section. It's your dining area, sits 6 people. Another look from this corner. We'll go in the backyard last. We're gonna walk towards the primary bedroom. Large primary bedroom right here. Huge window. And then to the left of that, there is an exit door that you can access to your backyard. Remember, this is a large square footage on the lot. Standard lot size is about 6,000 square feet and ranges all the way to 13,000. Walking into the primary bathroom. You guys are gonna love this bathroom. You got toilet on the left, closet for your linens. But check out this super shower. It's a large walk-in shower. I mean, look at the texture that they've used with the material. Very, very nice. The only thing missing, I think, is there's no overhead rainfall shower. This would have been complete with that, but hey, this is what you get, and it's still amazing. Large glass right here. And then you have 2 separated vanity sinks. So it's not connected. You have a his and hers. Then you have a large walk-in closet. Look at all the space for all the ladies watching this video. I know you guys can appreciate this. Okay, walking towards the backyard. Exit the primary bedroom. And we'll access the backyard from this door. Let's open that up. See how it slides all the way over. So you have this large open area just like this. Today is a great day to shoot videos because it's not windy at all, but check this out. You have a large covered patio right above, and you'll have pavers right here on each corner. But look at the lot size. I mean, this is beautiful. I love the desert landscaping here. Obviously, this is not going to be included, but you have an idea. They will include a stub for your gas line. But check this out. If I pan right here to the left, can you see right there? Las Vegas Strip views. Here's another corner. Here's another look from this side of the house. Step back. I mean, look at that. You also get that mountainside view right there. I mean, this is just a beautiful single-story community. All right, guys, and if you see yourself living in this community or this specific home, reach out to us. Guys, having a realtor represent you in a new build purchase costs you nothing, so make sure you always bring a realtor with you to help you be represented when negotiating for a new build home. So really quick, I'd like to remind you, if you find value and enjoy my home tours, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and ring that notification bell. This way you won't miss on any of my upcoming home tour videos, and it'll help us continue to grow the channel. All right, that's it for this one. See you guys on the next one.